In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up an account on Triangle's LoanPay platform. To access LoanPay, visit Triangle's homepage at trianglecu.org, or you can access it right within online banking. Once you're logged into online banking, go to the Additional Services tab at the top menu, and in the drop-down, click LoanPay. Acknowledge the message by clicking OK to continue. This is the LoanPay login page, where you'll set up your account and use your credentials to access the platform. To get started, click the Register Now link. You'll now see a page asking for your user information. Start with the email address you want associated with your account, then set up a password. Finally, enter your personal information such as your first name, last name, the phone number that you want your confirmation or text messages sent back to, and your zip code. Once you've entered all your information, click Enroll. You'll now see the customer portal page within the LoanPay platform. Because you're a new user, you'll need to provide your member information to access your loans and make payments. You'll notice the account information is set to personal by default. Select the business option if you have a business account you'd like to set up. If not, then keep it set at personal. Next, you'll enter your member number and the last 4 digits of your social security number or tax ID. When you're all set, check the box to agree to the payment authorization terms and then click Add Account. The system will now show you that your account's been created and will display the member number associated with that account. When you're ready to continue, click Back to Accounts. This will bring you to the Accounts Overview page. Here you'll see all the accounts added to the system. Only one account has been added in this example, but any additional accounts will show up here. If you'd like to add another account, you can do so by clicking the Add Account button at the bottom. Each account will display the loan ID number, the due date and amount due, the description, and the remaining balance. You can also pay your bill or set up autopay right from this page. If you're ready to pay a bill, click the Pay Bill button on the right or use the Pay My Bill tab on the left menu. To get started, you'll need to select which bill you want to pay. If you'd like to pay a bill on a loan not listed here, add a new one using the Add New button below. If you see the loan you want to pay listed, check the box next to that one and then click Continue. This next page is where you'll review and add your payment details. You should see the loan ID, the due date, the amount due, and the amount you'd like to pay. You can also set the payment to post now or later. Below, you'll see the different payment methods currently listed within your wallet. If your wallet's empty, click the Add New link to add a new payment method. This will ask you to add a debit card or bank account and then prompt you to input that payment information. In this case, there's already a debit card associated with the account. To continue making a payment, click the Continue button to advance through the process and complete your payment. A huge benefit to having an account is the ability to set up automatic payments with AutoPay. To access AutoPay, use the tab on the left menu. Here you'll see all existing AutoPay schedules. If you don't have any automatic payments scheduled yet, you won't see anything listed here and it'll look just like this. If you'd like to add a new AutoPay, simply click Add Schedule to get started. To learn more about setting up AutoPay, check out our other video tutorial on setting up and scheduling auto payments. Next, we'll visit the Payment History page. This page shows you the history of any payments you've made and their status. In this case, a $40 payment was made to a home equity line of credit with a debit card on the dates shown here. Click the View button on the right to see more specific details about the payment record. Now we'll move on to the My Wallet tab on the left menu under Payment History. This is where you can see all the payment methods you've added to your account. A debit card has already been added as a payment method. You can see the card information, expiration date, and cardholder name. You can add other payment methods, such as additional debit cards or bank accounts. To do so, click the Add Payment Method button and follow the prompts to add your account or card information. Payment methods can be edited at any time. Click the Edit link at the top right to make changes. In this case, you can update the debit card expiration date or the cardholder's name. You can also change your default payment method. The one shown here is listed as default, but you can uncheck the box to remove it as a default payment method if you'd rather use a different one. Once the changes are all set, check the box to authorize the payment and click Confirm. If you decide not to make any changes, click Cancel. If you want to delete the payment method from your account, click the Remove Payment Method button. Next, you can view your profile information using the Profile tab on the left. Here, you'll see all the account information that you used to set up your account, such as your first name, last name, email, phone number, and zip code. It also shows your user ID with an option to change it, and you can set up a new password if you ever need to change that. Thanks for checking out this video on setting up your LoanPay account. Remember, if you have any questions about this platform or your existing loans, don't hesitate to contact the credit union. We'll be happy to assist you in any way we can.